Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft, and this is Sadhana here. Before we go into our recipes, if you like my recipes, please share it with your family and friends, and subscribe my channel if you like my videos, and press the icon button so that you get your notification first when I upload the videos. And also thank you for being with me in this journey. Yeah, for today's recipe I have taken some boiled rice. We have added a little salt to it. You can also do it with your leftover rice. So I am taking 2 big portions which will go for 4 people. And I have taken some mushrooms chopped and some steamed cooked chicken. In the chicken I added a little bit pepper and a little bit salt and cooked it in the pressure cooker for 2 whistles. Then I have shredded the chicken here. Then I have some chili flakes, pepper powder, salt, oil, chopped garlic. I've taken about 30 cloves of chopped garlic, spring onions, white onion I have taken, and the spring onion of green I have taken. If you don't have this, you can use a plain onion also here, your regular onion, and you can also use a coriander leaves here. Okay, let's go and cook now. The kadai is hot. I'm adding some oil to the pan. We'll wait for the oil to get hot. The oil has to be slightly hot before we put in the garlic. And now the oil is hot and I'm adding some garlic to it. And this we will cook on a high flame. The garlic, as we are frying, will leave all the flavor in the oil, and that will mix in the rice, and it gives a very good flavor to the rice. We'll saute the garlic till it becomes golden brown, and this is getting cooked on a high flame, so we'll just keep an eye not to burn it. It's also a quick recipe for a working day. At this point we will also be adding finely chopped spring onions. If you don't have spring onions here, you can always use the regular onion. The difference is the spring onion gives you totally a different flavor. We are still cooking on a high flame. And here, if you think you need some more oil, you can add it. Now I am going to add mushrooms. We'll give it a nice mix. Wash the mushroom in the running water thoroughly, because generally they have a lot of dust and dirt. And also to retain the white color of the mushroom, after chopping it, keep them in little salt water. Not too much salt, a little bit, until you add it to your recipe. At this point, I am adding the steamed chicken. The chicken is cooked with salt and little pepper. I cooked it in the pressure cooker for 2 whistles. Before we add in all the other spices, here I am giving it a nice mix so that all the flavors will blend in nicely. I'm going to add a little of chili flakes as per your taste. If you don't like chili flakes, you can also skip and just go with the pepper. So we'll allow this to fry a little, okay, for about a minute or so, then we'll come back to it. It's about a minute, it's been sauteing. I think I need some oil, so I'm just going to add a little bit oil to it. It's optional. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of rice. This nice large portion for 4 people. Let's give it a mix. When we are mixing, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of pepper, because we have already added pepper in the chicken also. And there's a little salt in the rice and chicken. So we are going to add little salt. So just you can also taste and add the salt as per your requirement. So when you're mixing, just mix it gently. Any lumps are there, just take it out. There's a lump here I can see. Just gently tap on it and remove. Don't make it mushy. Yeah, I'm going to saute this for about a minute.
It's been frying for a minute now on a high flame without the lid. Now I will be adding some spring onions to it, keeping the rest for the garnish.
Give it a nice mix and then we will do the plating. Try this recipe and let me know how it is. It's very easy, fast and tasty.
Our garlic chicken fried rice with mushroom is ready. This dish has to be taken hot. Friends, try this recipe and please let me know in the comments how it turned out. If you like my recipe, friends, please share it with your family and friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.